This marvellous property, situated on the famous Marine Drive, offers breathtaking views, spectacular finishes, and is a huge income generating business. The immaculate garden features koi ponds, water features, and has a peaceful feel throughout. The property boasts with numerous wooden decks, which features 180-degree sea views and built-in braais. The entertainment area features an in-house pool with jets, a surround sound system, and a built-in braai. This kitchen features mahogany built-in cupboards, granite tops, and a breakfast nook. The penthouse features an open-plan lounge and dining room. The kitchen consists of built-in cupboards, granite tops, and a scullery. This well-sized bedroom is tiled and features built-in wardrobes. The ensuite consists of a modern shower, spa bathtub, and a wash basin. The Seascape Bed and Breakfast with amazing features is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.